A very warm welcome to the tradingmentors.com. My name is Chris. Hope you are having a wonderful day. In today's video, coaching video, educational video, we're talking about swing trading, the perfect entry. We're also talking about continuation patterns, the perfect entry for you to maximize profits in your trading account. So this is the QuantFlow dynamic software. It is color coded, so you can choose whatever color you want. So let's go into it. So I've got a turquoise color here. You can choose the colors in the software. And so as an example, I've got this color here. I can choose yellow. I can choose any color I like. And there's your yellow. If you want it brighter, then you can do that. Let's keep it for that for the moment. And of course, the red is for aggressive selling. So this button here tells you when there is aggressive buying. So when the volumes are really going up, and aggressive selling when the volumes are going up, but the price is going down. And grey seems to me just means neutral, not ready to take any action yet. Let's keep it for that for the moment. But what we can see here, and I'm going to wind this forward for you so you can see the benefits of the software in action as the price moves. This is silver, by the way. And the first thing we note from the software is which direction, first of all, let's get the colors right, are we going to go. Before the price moves, you get a big fat juicy up signal on your software. You can see that everything is green. So you definitely don't want to be buying this. This has a level of support. Now this adjusts as the market adjusts. It's not fixed. And so therefore it works really, really well. It is a kind of super trend, but it works based upon AI. So it's much more accurate and useful. The other thing that happens is once you get the position and the signal for a buy, you get one take profit 1, TP2, TB3, and you can have 4 if you wish. But TP3 is there, and this position here would have made you, if you got in at the right time, to take profit 3, 1,236 pips. Yes, it's true. Now I'm going to wind this forward. Now before I do that, I want to compare this with the Gold on Steroids software. So we have several systems. One Gold on Steroids software is designed purely for gold. QuantFlow dynamic software designed for any asset, any time frame. I'm not going to go into that today. But this is just comparing QuantFlow dynamics with Gold on Steroids. So the same time frame. So we can see here, this on the right, you have the Gold on Steroids software. So we have a 50-day moving average here on the right, which is predicting that the price is moving up. It's fighting with the demand zone as well. And also you have everything going in your color, in this case, yellow. And if we double click the left side, we can see that everything is yellow down at the bottom of the indicators as well. It's a perfect scenario, the perfect setup for a perfect trade during London Open, actually. So combining these two pieces of software might be useful to you. You don't need both, but it might be useful to confirm that you're going in the right direction at the right time. So a wonderful way to get into a continuation pattern. The other part of the software actually tells you when to buy when you have a swing trading system. So if you miss this move here for some reason, you're not at the chart, you're playing golf or whatever you're doing, then of course there are other ways to maximize the move and see what happens next. So let me just wind it forward just so we can see what happens. And I'm going to freeze it just at the right moment. Right, so what we have here, we have, I don't like yellow, I've decided I'm going to change that color to my usual color. You choose your own color, of course, but so we have turquoise now. So as long as the price remains turquoise, we are looking for the perfect swing trading system. and let me show you how it works. So there's a couple of things here to be aware of. As soon as the oscillator comes down from overbought to this position here, this is the perfect swing trade. So alarm bells should be ringing that the price is going up. Now have a look at this tool here on your left, Sell Power 57. This indicates that we have a very weak supply zone. There's no sellers here, by the way. Above 60, I would be concerned maybe. But have a look at what happens next. Okay, the price on the oscillator has now turned up. See that there? That is your perfect entry. There, and your stop loss is here. We can wind this forward. So we have the perfect system to get the perfect continuation pattern on the QuantFlow Dynamics software. We also have the perfect system to actually identify the swing low. The rules are simple. The price has to be oversold in an uptrend, and this color must be, in this case, turquoise. Whatever color you choose is fine. If it turns red, then it's too late. It's a no entry. It means it's a very weak signal, or it's no signal at all. But we don't have this at that moment. I'll show you an example of that, what to look for in terms of a weak entry. Now while this price is moving higher on that swing trade, another swing trade opportunity has arisen here, and the number on the left, Sell Power 50, is even weaker. So this tells us in advance, before the move happens, that this is very successful, this swing trade. And we can see that in action. We can see that if you get in on the crossover there, you are going to be banking another 938 pips. And the price goes on. Let's see what's going on. So this swing trade, you could exit there, perfectly acceptable, and enter on the crossover again. Crossover there, weak signal. Sell Power 48, it's actually going down. This is a very strong trend upwards. Now let's say in a continuation pattern where the price has gone from here at $77.68, you can hold that one position. Yes, you can hold that position for as long as you want and simply trail the stop, maximize the move along that journey until you get stopped out if you're using that method. The other thing you can do, of course, is as you open this position and hold, you can open a second position because your stop loss is now here. So you enter here, down below there, $78, let's say. You now lock in profits. This is now $79. And therefore, that one that you entered here is a free trade. The second one you enter has an initial risk, of course, being the support here of $79.30, and then you can trail that one as well, or exit at this stage. So you've got two positions. Now in this instance here, you've got three positions. This has crossed up here, and the price has gone up. Your third position, so this position here is now break even. Well, it's actually more than break even, you guaranteed profits. And then you enter another position here to go much, much higher. So you've got three positions potentially, if that's what you want to do, to actually maximize that move as it moves. Now this is extraordinary. You're not getting moves like this in the markets, not very often anyway. What can happen, of course, is under normal circumstances, you get this here and you get stopped out. You get to here and you get stopped out. That's fine, as long as you manage the position along that journey. Now, there's nothing wrong with actually taking your profits at certain levels, as long as it's at least 2 to 3 to 1 per trade, because that's how you make a lot of money. There's nothing wrong with holding on to that position and then adding to that position, as long as your first position is a free risk, guaranteed profits actually, by the way. So a fantastic way of recognizing a continuation pattern during this journey, and also a swing trade. So if this is something that you like, that you want to use, go to www.thetradingmentors and the shop. The QuantFlow Dynamics software is on your top left. The Gold on Steroids software is on this one here. And then you can have the signals that I sent daily as well. Totally up to you. But I am looking for serious traders. I am not looking for time wasters. Please don't waste my time. If you want to commit to the next 12 months, I will help you. I will support you 100%. So in this instance here, we can see that this is not valid swing trade. So why isn't this valid? Because we have the price has come down into this area here, but look at the color of this. Okay, it is not valid because this red piece of kit is actually saying to you this is a very weak signal. All right, so understanding the difference will make you a lot of money. And if you are looking for the perfect entry, wait for everything to be perfect, and then you can make a lot of money in your markets and become very, very successful.